Stop using the snipping tool. I got a screenshot application that will do everything that the snipping tool can do, plus file sharing and screen recording. Stay tuned. What's going on, guys? I stumbled up on a software that is amazing for screenshots. It's called ShareX, much better than snipping tool for Windows 10, and you can use it for Windows 7 as well. I'm going to touch on it lightly. If you want me to do a full guide on it, let me know in the comments down below. It's free. It's one of the best I've used so far. So go to getsharex.com, download it, install it. So let's open it up. All right. So after you open it up, you can actually close it and it will keep the application running in the background. You can right click on the taskbar and you can do everything here as you would if you actually open the software on the desktop. So we're going to open software on the desktop from the desktop menu. So I'm going to touch up on capture, capture tasks, and a few other things. Okay, so let's go to capture, upper left hand corner, click on capture. You can do full screen, window. So window is basically if you have, say, 20 windows open, and you can choose what window to capture. Click on it and it'll actually screenshot it. Go monitor. Actually, it does all your monitors, so you can choose what monitor you want. So if you have 2 monitors, 3 monitors, 4 monitors. Region is my favorite one. Is so basically region is you can capture something on the desktop. You can choose what to capture. So if we go region, and here, say if I want this here, you left click, drag, unclick, and it'll screenshot it. Let's name the file. Name the file. I'm gonna name it just test. Save it to desktop. So there it is. And this is your screenshot list. So if I minimize it, and it's right here, open it, and it will show you the picture and it has the background. My favorite thing about the region is this. Go to capture, region transparent. So transparent, if no one knows what transparent means basically it will remove the background of the picture you're capturing. So next we are going to talk about the after capture task. So this is pretty cool. So basically, whatever is bold is the next setting that the software will do. Okay, so right now I have it. I have the save image to file as bolded. So anytime that it does the capture, it'll pop up and wants me to save as. You can highlight anyone that you want to do. So you can do print image. So you highlight it, it'll print the image after you capture it. Okay. So if we go back to capture, screen recording you can actually screen record your screen, but you have to download a certain file from the website. It'll ask you, do you want to automatically download it? Say yes, it'll do it. But we're not going to do it right now. If you go to hotkey settings, you can change your keys. Okay. So yeah, that is it for ShareX. So if you like this episode, give it a like. And for more tips, tricks, and guides, subscribe. Turn your bell notification on. And I'll see you guys in the next episode.